All right, possible short. Short
Ag Eagle, UAVS,
on the
34%
NASDAQ.
now off the highs, $1.72. Share spiking earlier on a article
Short
indicating
on the
company was
NASDAQ.
setting up operations in Wichita.
First target filled. Stop
along
to
with
break
Amazon.
even.
Company CEO confirming the company is going to be operating.
All right,
in
now
Wichita,
again, I am going to
Kansas,
widen this
and,
target out. I want to try to
and
run this.
Amazon. Shares now at $1.60.
Yeah. Yeah, don't come back up.
And more to come.
There we go. Collapse. This is what we want. Now there's the run. Woo-ha! Keep going, baby. Flush it.
LMNX.
Stopped out.
November, in the
Bam!
X-ray.
That's a hell of a trail. We got one. Holy crap, we got one. The market gave me a trail. Hot damn. If you have multiple trails, the next stop will move above this current bear bar. Try to gun for a 200 tick target.